Welcome to another video in our XXOTO software tutorial series. In this video, we'll be covering three closely related functions: rectangle, circle, and scale. These tools work together to help you draw shapes and adjust their size with precision. Drawing a rectangle. To draw a rectangle, 1. Click on the Rectangle tool. 2. Click and hold the left mouse button in the Design Center to draw your rectangle. 3. Once you release the mouse button, the rectangle will be created. If you want to draw a square with specific dimensions, say 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, here's what to do. Click the Scale function after drawing your rectangle. In the pop-up dialog box, uncheck the Uniform Aspect Ratio option. Remember, XXOTO's default unit is millimeters, so enter 100 for both X and Y in the Result Size fields to create a square with sides of 100 millimeters, 10 centimeters. Click OK, and your rectangle will adjust to a 10 centimeter square. Drawing a circle. The process for drawing a circle is similar. 1. Click on the Circle tool. 2. Draw your circle by holding and releasing the left mouse button. 3. To adjust the diameter, use the Scale function. Set both X and Y to 100 to get a circle with a diameter of 10 centimeters. This feature is particularly useful when you need to add custom elements to a design. For instance, if you need to add a radar hole to a car's rear windshield and the data isn't available, simply measure the radar hole, then draw a circle with the correct diameter using the Circle and Scale tools. Congratulations! You now know how to use the rectangle, circle, and scale functions. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and techniques with XXOTO software.